Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back again. This one, guys, is on behalf of Lead Lightning and the Power Lead System. My previous video, I was showing you guys how I just introduced Lead Lightning to my Easy Profit 100 teammates because there is no capture page system with that program. It's a postcard marketing program. So I actually was just sharing the Lead Lightning system. It's only $7, okay, and you have a capture page. But as I was just checking my emails one day, it showed I started receiving some $6 commissions, no big deal. But then it showed that I lost a $20 commission. I'm like, okay, and I'm not marketing. I wasn't marketing the program, but the system was actually emailing all the opt-ins that I had received on it, and people, was upgrading. So I lost a $20 commission, so I went ahead and upgraded to Gold, which is $53 a month. And then anybody that joins as a Gold member, you're going to receive the $20 commissions as a monthly residual. Okay, so I was comfortable with that. And then, as I was going along, I started receiving emails saying that I lost a diamond commission. So I'm like, okay, I need to upgrade to diamond. Go ahead and spend the $147 one time, and then you can make $100 commissions. Okay, so excited about the program. And then we had a great hangout, a Google Hangout with the team last night, which was Sunday. There's a team Google Hangout, and I'll get that information to you so you can be a part of it. But I was so inspired, I was like, well, if I'm going to promote this thing, I might as well go all in. So I just recently went ahead and upgraded to Platinum, okay? And I'm going to show you what that is in a second. But just wanted to show you how powerful this system is. I just sent really my first campaign this weekend, a couple days ago. And just want to show you guys, it's not a lot, but the point is that the system works, okay? There was 3 people, and then see right here, I lost a commission. That's what I'm talking about. This system will let you know that you lost a commission. But one campaign, 3 people decided to go Gold. Okay, I never spoke to these people, don't know who they are. Because that system is so powerful, it does all the selling and telling for you, and it actually works. Okay, so that just proved the point. So that's when I decided today just to go ahead and upgrade to Platinum. So let me just show you guys our Facebook group. I'm a part of the Freedom Takers, and let's see if this thing is going to move. And you see, I just made a post 28 minutes ago to let the team know that I just upgraded to Platinum. Okay, and here's the screenshot that you get once you make the payment. Your billing was successful. It tells you here you have access to Social Pro Academy. Okay, that's what that $4.97 level is. Then you can see right here where I made a post where I joined the team. Then right here, here's the proof that I just showed you. I posted it in the group. See, everybody's responding to my posts. I just started and I ran some traffic, and I got 3 gold members, $60. Okay, not nothing that you can quit your job if you had a job. I don't have a job, but I'm just saying this just shows you that this system works. Just with a little bit of effort, just buying some paid traffic, I was able to produce 3 golds. So now that I'm Platinum, I'm all in. So now I can receive the $400 commissions. Okay, I was at the Diamond, which qualified me for the $100 commissions, but now I can make the $400 commission. So let me show you guys this this system. Okay, this is one of the pages that you'll see that comes in the autoresponder. And let me just show you guys, this is the lower level Lead Lightning, but this is how this funnel works. Even if you marketed the Lead Lightning, which is what I was doing, it's still going to upsell people for the other products. Here's a page that you will get if you join Lead Lightning. That one's only $7. You're going to get your capture page, okay? And you're going to get a sales page right here. See, and it tells you spend $7 and you get $6 commissions. Okay? Then, as they get ready to check out, the system does this automatically. It's going to offer the gold membership. Okay? Before the person checks out and pays $7, it's going to say, hey, check this out. Gold membership, $20 residual and 50% check. Okay? And depending on what they buy, it will determine what to offer next. That's what I like about this. See? Yes or no. And then it will offer them the silver package. If they don't want the gold, it's going to say, hey, well, what about silver? And if they get silver, you get $15 commission right there. Okay? And then it's going to upsell them on the platinum level before they check out. See, at the end of the checkout, it's going to try to get them to get the platinum. So the system is doing all the selling and telling for you guys. And that's how I was able to get those 3 gold members without me doing anything. Okay, all I did is some paid traffic, which we'll share the vendors we're using and how to do that. And that's how I was able to get these 3 gold members, guys. And just think, that's just the beginning. Okay, as I keep pushing the traffic, guess what's going to happen? More commissions are going to be coming through. And this right here, let me see if I can show you, is one of the pages that I used right here. Okay, I sent traffic to this page, they enter the email, and then it goes to a presentation that does all the selling and telling for us. And there's an autoresponder already built in, so you don't have to do anything. Just send the traffic there and let the system do the work for you. And as you can see, this is just proof that these sales will come in, and it's just going to increase from here. Okay, so what you can do, go ahead and request, send me a friend request, and join my team, and then we'll get you in the Freedom Takers group. Okay, so that you can see some of the resources that we use, and we will share that with you on how we're getting these sign-ups. Okay, just that simple. Now you can start here with this one if you like, $7. But just know, if you promote this program and someone upgrades to gold, it will pass up. That $20 will pass up, and anything else will pass up. Okay, with this particular program right here, the $7, you can only get the $6 commissions. But I highly recommend you come in at least at the gold level. Spend the $53. That's your monthly fee. Spend $53, and that way you get the $20 residual and you get the 50% matches. Okay, and if you can come in higher, go for that. You can come in at diamond, pay $147 one time, and you're able to make $100 commissions. Okay, or come in at platinum. Okay, but definitely get in this program, guys, because this, I think, is by far the easiest online business that I've seen. Because all you're doing is sending traffic to it, and the system is automatically doing everything literally for you. Okay, and then we have training on Sunday, but the company gives a training on Wednesday and Thursday. So you have weekly training. You get engaged with 2 Facebook groups. We have a company Facebook group, and then we have a special team Facebook group that you're going to be a part of. So you will be in business for yourself, but you won't be by yourself, because we have a community within this group, within this company. So I definitely highly recommend this one. I just fell into it by fluke, and now I'm all in, and I'm super excited because I see the results in less than that I really started promoting it. So what I'll do is I'll put the link below for it. And if you guys have any questions about it, definitely give me a call. Okay? Give me a call and we'll set up with your lead lightning power lead system. Okay? Like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next video, guys. You have a blessed day.